been working on the training ground over the last 6 weeks since coming back from their holidays. Ncobo! Oh, he scored! Stevens went the right way, but the power of the shot. Kaizer Chiefs have their first goal of the season.
That is the start that Kaizer Chiefs wanted here today. I think everybody knows the amount of signings they've made, and can these players make a big influence and impact? But he's one of the players that's been here for the last few years. Ncobo, that gets them on the front foot. Great set play here. Like you said, the power behind it just catches Stevens a little bit. The wall also dismantling a little bit, so it made it possibly a little bit easier, I would say, for Ncobo to get that ball over the wall.
Well, it was a valiant effort. He took it very quickly as well, though, and gets the touch, but not strong enough to hold it out. It's the first goal in 18 months for Ncobo, last scored in December 2023.